Application polynomial equations A1. That is the first question in my application problems. Write a cubic polynomial that gives a remainder of 3 when it is divided by 2x plus 1. So as usual, I'll give you another trick to solve this, right? Now, well, there could be many different solutions for this, so there is no fixed answer. So you have flexibility to write your own answer, the best possible you could do in the minimum time. That is kind of very important. Now, read it again. Write a cubic polynomial that gives a remainder of 3 when it is divided by 2x plus 1. A cubic polynomial function could be like this, right? Fx equals to, let's say, let me write ax cubed plus a 2x squared plus a 1x plus a 0. So that is our cubic polynomial. Now if my remainder is 3, that means if I plug in 4 when divided by 2x plus half, that means f of minus half is equal to 3. That is what is required. Correct? So this is how we are looking at the problem, and that is what we need to give. We need to give value of this function, which will give us return the value of 3 at x equals to minus half. So minus half is a fraction. We have to plug in minus half here and then get 3, and we should know what these coefficients are. So it looks like a huge problem, but I like simplify for you. So what we will do is, we'll write, well, our coefficients should be something like this. 1, let us avoid fractions. So if I do x cubed, so let me write minus half cube first. So I say minus half cube, and you know minus half cube is minus 1 over 8. So let me choose a3 as 8. It's my choice, right? So when I do 8 divided by 8, I get minus 1. So I'll write minus 1 for my first factor. Correct, good job. Now plus, then I have to plug minus half for x square also. So I'll write good. This is my minus half, and that's the square. When I do minus half square, I get plus 1 over 4. Let me choose a2 as 4. So 1 over 4 times 4 will give me a value which is 1, right? Again I got plus 1. Very good. Now I have to put the third. Okay, so for x I'll put minus half. So minus half gives me minus half. I have a choice for a1. Let me choose a1 as 2. How does it matter? It's my choice, right? So I get minus 1 this time. Good. Now what is the total so far? So total so far is minus 1 plus 1 is 0, and I have minus 1. To get 3, I should add 4. That makes sense, right? To add 3, I should write it as 4. So okay, so let's write here 4 and check our answer. So minus half cube times 8 is minus 1. Minus half square times 4 is plus 1. Minus half times 2 is minus 1. And minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then we have minus 1. And the number plus 4 when added gives me 3. It works perfectly fine for me. And therefore, I write down my answer. And my solution is f of x. The cubic polynomial for us is 8x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x plus 4. Correct? Now, my constant is 4 and leading coefficient is 8. Therefore, the possible rational factor could be factors of 4 divided by factors of 8. So, minus 2 works. Correct? So that is another check that, well, things have been done correctly. I hope you appreciate this. Write down your comments and share it with your friends. Thank you.